Once upon a time, in a peaceful village, there lived a small, little mosquito named Mimi. Unlike the other mosquitoes who loved to buzz around and cause trouble, Mimi was different. Mimi loved to sing lullabies to the village animals at night, helping them fall asleep peacefully. She had a beautiful, soothing voice that could calm even the wildest of creatures. One night, Mimi heard a young elephant, named Ellie, crying. Ellie couldn't sleep because she was scared of the big, loud noises in the jungle. Mimi flew over to Ellie and began to sing her favorite lullaby. "Hush now, little Ellie, don't be afraid. The jungle is full of wonder, not just of dread. Close your eyes and let your dreams take flight. The stars are your friends in the quiet of the night." Ellie listened to Mimi's beautiful singing and soon began to feel calm. The lullaby worked its magic, and Ellie drifted off to sleep. Mimi continued to sing to the other animals, helping them all to sleep peacefully. She became the friend of every creature in the village, proving that not all mosquitoes are bad. From that day on, Mimi was no longer feared, but loved by all. She spread happiness and peace wherever she went, and the villagers never forgot her kindness. So, if you ever hear a soft humming sound at night, it might just be Mimi, the friendly mosquito, singing her lullabies to the animals. And who knows, maybe one day she'll sing to you too. Good night.